In this video, I'm going to be doing a review on the HSU Selfie Stick. Let's jump into it. This selfie stick is made by a company called HSU. The product caught my eye as it is way more than just a selfie stick. Included in the box was a phone mount, GoPro mount, 1/4 tripod head mount, a clip for a remote holder, and a little mini tripod to screw into the bottom of the pole that can turn this stick into a monopod. The build is fantastic and all the twist mounts are high quality. The metal tripod is also incredible. The wrist strap you can take off and on, which is a neat feature so it can screw in the tripod to the bottom of the pole. It also has a clip-on holder for your GoPro remote so you can snap photos without the timer. I have been using GoPro poles for a long time now, but this one really allows you to branch over into using other gear on it as well. It has 3 twist locks to extend the pole to your desired length. Once they are locked in, they do not slip like some cheaper made poles. Also, a lot of poles are made with 2 twist locks, where they can get annoying because the pole does not collapse down as much to fit into backpacks, so I appreciate the details they put into making this pole. When collapsed down, it is 15 inches and it extends all the way up to 44 inches for great wide-angle shots. While I was out shooting, I really loved the monopod feature, which is why I bought the pole. With other poles that I own, I always had to try to rest it against an object, but with this handy little tripod on the bottom, I would highly recommend the pole just for that reason. It's a solid pole made of aluminum alloy, and it has a waterproof design for all you sport water users or vacations at the beach. Just make sure if you use your poles or equipment in salt water, you rinse them off before letting them dry. Also, with any selfie pole, make sure to extend the pole all the way out to dry when it's getting wet. Overall, this is probably one of my favorite poles to date, mostly because it is not limited to just a selfie stick, but rather a multifunctional pole. For some of you that just love to bring your GoPro phone or little equipment out, this gives you a lot more creative freedom with minimal equipment. While shooting with selfie poles, it actually helps to stabilize your videos since it has something in the foreground to make your shots not look so shaky. I recommend poles for every person looking to capture video, and I highly recommend this pole as it is so much more. If you want to pick up this pole, I placed a link down in the description, so make sure to go check that out and subscribe to be updated on future videos coming out. If you have any questions or want to see a specific tutorial, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you or cover it in my future videos. Check out my social media where I post photos daily and connect with you guys. Dream it, create it, and strive for it, and I will see you guys next time.